Hello, I'm Jody Brenner Ginsburg of Ginsburg Law Offices. Today I want to talk to you about folks who are involved in catastrophic work accidents. You may be the person who's watching this video, or maybe it's a loved one who's helping care for you and helping you make some decisions. We have many cases over the years, and currently right now many cases where we have catastrophically injured folks from work accidents. They're very difficult situations. Obviously your whole life has been turned upside down, as well as those of your loved ones. Whether you have a traumatic brain injury, whether you have a spinal cord injury, whether you have amputations, blindness, or other types of catastrophic injuries where it has been determined because of a combination of injuries and you have qualified for Social Security disability benefits that you're deemed catastrophic, those cases can have payouts of weekly benefit checks beyond the typical 400-week case or 350-week case in a workers' comp case. Sometimes they can be paid out for a lifetime. Again, everybody's circumstances are different. Along with those payouts of weekly workers' compensation temporary total disability checks also comes payment of medical. There comes a time when folks in a workers' compensation catastrophic case may have been in the case for quite a long time, and they may want to get out of the case, but they seem like they're stuck in it. Perhaps you've already been on benefits for quite some time. Perhaps you've needed your home to be modified. You may have needed a van transportation to be properly appointed for wheelchair use. There are a variety of things that you need when you have a catastrophic injury. And there may come a time when you say, hey, maybe it's the time that I want to try to settle this case. But typically in a catastrophic case, with regard to the cost of medical, which can be very expensive, it is prohibitive sometimes for the insurance company to want to try to settle your case. In other words, the cost of the medical is so much they may not want to cough up that kind of money along with a lump sum payment to you for closing out the future TTD benefits. We have been able to be rather creative in the way we have settled some of these cases with the insurance company years ago, and then more recently as well, in being able to craft types of settlements that allow for the lump sum at times to be paid out in the TT benefits to be paid out in a lump sum, and being able to keep medical care open for the injured worker. And that seems to appease the insurance company in certain cases because they're not having to lump sum out the medical piece of that. And so we have many clients where we've been able to get the lump sum and allow them to continue their very specific care, whether they're at the Shepherd Center, whether they're under care with specialized neurologists for brain injury, whether they're under care with spinal cord injury specialists, both at Shepherd's and within rehabilitation centers. So it's something that is not an automatic no as far as trying to get the case settled in certain circumstances. If you would like to discuss that further, we're here to discuss it with you, and you can reach me at 770-351-0801. Thank you. Hi, this is Jody, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me around and videotape my activities? What happens when the insurance company is late with my weekly wage payments? 7 specific tactics I recommend to maximize your case settlement value. If you or a loved one needs to maximize your recovery from your Georgia workers' compensation claim, you'll find this survival kit important reading. Download your survival kit right now and at no cost. Just visit my website and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now, and as always, I wish you the best.